because I told Linda, I hope you do a great job and put yourself out of a job. I want her to put herself out of a job, education department. So we're ranked number 40 out of 40 schools, right?
President Donald Trump promised to shut down the education department, and his administration is taking a big step to make that happen. A new plan will move some of the department's biggest functions to 4 other federal agencies. The biggest change will move most federal funding and support for K-12 schools over to the Labor Department. Other programs will be moved to HHS, the State Department, and the Department of the Interior. The Education Department will still exist for now, and it will still handle some of its biggest duties, things like federal loans and civil rights cases. But this is part of the administration's bigger plan to wind down the Education Department and then get Congress to shut it down completely. Education Secretary Linda McMahon said her plan will help students by freeing their schools from federal micromanagement. Some schools and states say it might actually make their jobs more complicated, though, because they're going to end up working with 4 additional federal agencies instead of just 1. Some conservatives have come out against the plan, including Alaska Senator Lisa Murkowski, who said it might actually end up hurting students. The change is expected to be implemented in the next few months, and there's still a big lingering question about whether it's going to include more layoffs for the Education Department. And in the meantime, Trump officials say they're going to be spending more time on Capitol Hill trying to get lawmakers to pass a bill that would eliminate the department.
We're not ending federal support for education. We are ending federal micromanagement and paving the way for education renewal.
Some critics point out that the Education Department was actually created to consolidate programs that had been spread out over lots of other federal agencies. Democratic Representative Bobby Scott urged the administration to rethink this plan, and he cited the 1979 law that created the department. That law said that the arrangement had left programs too fragmented and inconsistent across different agencies.